Ever felt like your car's interior is missing that one small touch, that perfect blend of comfort and control? This specific upgrade for your Skoda Fabia 2, from 2007 to 2010 models, might just be the answer you've been searching for. We're talking about a 5-speed gear shift knob and Gaiter boot cover that promises to transform your driving experience. Right out of the box, you can tell this isn't just another generic replacement. The design is ergonomically crafted, and when you first get your hand on it, the comfortable grip is immediately noticeable. It feels smooth, almost precision-engineered, which makes those everyday gear transitions surprisingly effortless. For anyone who spends a lot of time behind the wheel, that comfortable grip and optimal hand placement are crucial for reducing fatigue on longer drives. It's a small detail, but it makes a huge difference in how connected you feel to your car. But it's not just about comfort. Performance is key here. This gear lever is engineered for responsive action, ensuring crisp and accurate gear changes. You really feel that enhanced driving control, especially when navigating city traffic or enjoying a spirited drive. The smooth operating mechanism means no more clunky shifts. It's all about seamless transitions that make driving feel more intuitive and less like a chore. The non-slip surface also adds a layer of confidence, giving you a secure hold in any situation. Durability is another big win. Made from high-quality, scratch-resistant materials, this knob and gaiter are built to withstand daily wear and tear. It feels robust, promising long-lasting reliability, which is exactly what you want from an auto part. And let's be honest, nobody wants a worn-out, flimsy shift knob detracting from their car's interior. Speaking of interiors, the sleek finish of this unit truly elevates your car's aesthetic. It blends functionality with a stylish, timeless design that complements the Fabia 2's interior beautifully. It's a subtle upgrade, but one that adds a touch of modern flair and sophistication, making your car feel a bit more premium. The manufacturer, YYHDYXGSCN, has clearly focused on merging practicality with visual appeal. Installation is designed to be hassle-free, making it an accessible upgrade for anyone looking to refresh their Fabia 2's cabin. It's a single unit, a one-count, that promises to be a straightforward swap. Overall, this gear shift knob and Gaiter boot cover for the Skoda Fabia 2 is more than just a replacement part. It's an upgrade that genuinely enhances both the tactile feel and the visual appeal of your car's interior. It delivers on its promises of comfort, precision, and durability, making every drive a more enjoyable experience. If you own a Fabia 2 from 2007 to 2010 and are looking for a noticeable improvement in your driving comfort and interior aesthetics, this is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.